Hi guys, you're welcome back to Damsey Fashion. We say thank you to all our subscribers and our new subscribers. If you are yet to get notified, kindly turn on your notification button. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to gum this beautiful paper stone on your fabric. Now, the first thing, you have your paper stone ready and your already sewn neckline. What you are going to do is to cut your paper stone to the size of what you want before removing it. As you can see, the way I'm shaping it out with the pattern, I cut this process out. Then after doing that, you have to open the gum, open it so that you'll be able to gum on your fabric the way I am doing it. You have to do it gently so that it won't get stick to each other. Then after that, you place it on the particular area where you want the stone to be. So here I'm placing gently and I use my hand to hit it together. So in this side I see an Essex, so I try to trim that place out. Then I stick it back. And to this side, I also trim the little place out so that it will be on the same shape with my design in the front of this boo design. So I am trying to gum the one I cut away to that excess there. So you can always patch up your paper stone to fill in other side to anyone you want. Then we continue with the upper side too by cutting out. Here I'm cutting out the shape of the design. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to paste it on the neck. Then I removed it. So you make it gently. Then you place on the place you want. Because this place is a curved area and you can't just place directly. You have to shape out your patterns and arrange them carefully with creativity on how you want it to look like. So after doing those things, here is my iron heated to a high temperature. Then I place it on my pattern stone. That's on my paper stone. You can see the way I'm moving carefully. You make it heat before you move. You use your electric iron. Here I am using stove iron because there's no light presently. So after doing that, you'd have felt the heat. Then you remove your nylon on the stone like this. As you can see, it's already on my fabric, and I used my hand to touch it and I feel it's gummed already on the cloth. There's no removal or anything. I repeat the same thing to the other side, and guys, this is the result. Thanks for watching to this moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment and share this video. And if you have anything you want to learn, let us know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.